guys, welcome to this particular video. In this particular session of this OS module tutorial, what we are going to do is to learn how to remove a particular file from a particular folder. So you can see these are the files that we created earlier. There are a whole bunch of them, so I need to get rid of all of them. So how to remove a particular file from a folder? I'm just going to use the OS, and then what do you want to remove? What do we want to remove? Here we're going to set the path to the file that we want to remove. Let's say in our case, let me close all these guys so you don't write a new file again. So let's say we want to remove this file here. Let's say we want to remove this test3 file, and I already have the path already here, which is this guy that is there, which is test3. So I can just, instead of me copying it and putting it here, I can just specify path here. Let me just put path here. I can say path equals to path to make it absolute, to know the particular. I want to this path parameter, I'm giving it my own path, or I can just deliberately just leave it. What am I doing? To just deliberately leave it in this way. Just going to remove this part. And what is it going to remove? This part. And what is this part that is going to remove? Is this part. And what is this part pointing to? It's pointing to this directory. And where is this directory pointing to? This directory is pointing to this particular file, which is this test3. They said, hello everyone, welcome to EasyKids, which we created in our previous video. So let me run it, and then we're going to look for this test3. I got that is still easy. You can see I run successfully without any problem. So let me go to this subdirectory folder. I see test3 test file is gone. I can do the same thing for that. Let's want to remove this test and test2. I can come here and put test2. Let me remove it. I can see test2. You can see, let's go back and see that test2 guy is gone. So let's do for this test2. Okay, sir. Test subdirectory, you have a problem here. What is our problem? File not found. When the system cannot find specific user desktop OS subdirectory test file. So let's go back. Let's see where our this thing was. Okay, it was text, not test. What we put here was here is supposed to be X, no X. So be careful when you are writing, when you want to delete a folder, to know which, make sure to know the name properly so it won't crash your code like how it did for our own. So it's supposed to be X, not S. So when I run it, you can see it runs successfully without any problem. Let's go back. You can see it's no longer, it's only this guy that is remaining. I can also remove it in the similar manner. Let's say in a situation whereby there are a whole lot of files. So let me move this guy up so you know what we are dealing with here. So this is what we are dealing with currently. Let's say in a situation whereby the files inside here is pretty much. I want to wipe all of them out. The first step is you can actually delete the folder. If you don't need the folder any longer, I can wipe it out. I showed how to wipe entire folder out. Or you can use a for loop to remove any files that exist in that folder. We're also going to do some of all these projects when we will go a little bit further. I just want us to understand the basic of OS module. So this should be it for this video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next one.